And I apologize for not being unmuted earlier. I didn't realize.
That's fine. Court is in session and cause number 329872. The case is filed the state of Texas versus Kyler James Thomas. And Mr. Thomas, that's your full name? How you doing, Mr. Thomas? That's good. Mr. Thomas, you're represented by your attorney, Mr. Charles McIntosh, who is appearing via Zoom. Mr. McIntosh, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge. Thank you.
That's good. Mr. McIntosh, do you have an announcement that you'd like to make in Mr. Thomas' case?
Yes, Judge. I have gotten discovery. I have been able to go over it, but I need to get with the DA's office a little bit more on this one. So if I could just have one more announcement docket, please, Judge.
Okay, you need a standard reset?
Yes, Judge. That's fine.
Give us the date.
Normal 3/7.
Okay, this case will be reset till March 7th of 2022. Mr. Thomas, you can stand on the 4X. Our court coordinator will give you a reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. McIntosh, your reset on this case will be sent to you. Mr. McIntosh, you stated earlier that you will also be standing in for attorney Dustin Galmore. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge. I'm Mr. Gonzalez.
Yes, Mr. Bailey, could you please go get Christopher Joel Gonzalez? The court is in session in clause number 330810. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Christopher Joel Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Gonzalez?
Doing well, sir. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Gonzalez, you are represented in this case by your attorney, Mr. Dustin Galmore. Now, Mr. Galmore is unable to be here today. However, attorney Charles McIntosh is standing in for Mr. Galmore. Does Mr. McIntosh have your permission to stand in for Mr. Galmore?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. McIntosh, what is your announcement on Mr. Gonzalez's case?
Mr. Galmore has gotten discovery, but has not had a chance to go over it with his client. And so he's just asking for a standard reset as well, too, Judge.
Okay, we'll do that same date.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this case is gonna be reset till March 7th of 2022. Mr. Gonzalez, you can stand on the 4X and you're gonna get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Sounds good. You as well. Thank you.
And Mr. McIntosh, Mr. Galmore will be sent a copy of this reset.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I think this concludes the business that you have in this court today. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge, it does. And again, I apologize for earlier.
Okay, the apology is accepted. Now, Mr. McIntosh, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate you.
All right, you're welcome.